Hey everyone, I'm going to do this video of the unboxing. I bought this Blink Mini Pan Tilt security camera. I'm looking to use it to monitor our cat while we're out, and should be pretty good. It's a tilting camera. It's got 360-degree view, day and night HD video, two-way audio, motion detection, and easy setup, according to this box. So yeah, here's some more information on it. It does allow you to connect to Alexa device. It supports Alexa devices, and you can monitor it from your phone or tablet. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Okay. I'll also do the setup here as well. Probably have to charge it. Get the plastic off here. And we'll get it opened. Looks like it opens this way. Here's some more information. You see this? Tech specs. What it comes with. Camera. Tilt mount USB cable. Power adapter. Made in Malaysia, designed in Massachusetts by Amazon, and it supports different mobile devices: iOS, Android, Fire OS. Fire OS must be the tablet. Okay, and it supports networks, wireless network 2.4 gigahertz, 802.11 BGN for indoor use only. Okay. That's perfect, because that's exactly what I'm looking for here. You get a little bit of instruction booklet, and this is the actual camera. It's quite small, as you can see. It fits in my hand, and my hands are medium size. Let's see here. Ooh, wow, this thing's really secured well. I'm gonna have to cut this open somehow. Really secure well. Okay, it looks like it's got cool. It actually does have a mount for a tripod. That's neat. I didn't realize that. There's the port for charging, and this is the swivel. Oops. I'm not actually sure if I'm supposed to do it. Looks like it is remotely controlled. And let's see, pulling out the camera. There's a box here. This is the charger. I hope there's a cable as well. Looks like there might be a cable. So put that aside. Here's the cables. So it does come with the USB cables here. And the camera itself. The packaging is pretty snug, so let me see if I can get the camera out. Okay. It's coming out. Awesome. Okay. So it looks like, yep. So for the camera, you're gonna just plug it in here. Really easy. Wow. That snapped right in there. And this you're just gonna place on the top. Let's see if there's a way that this actually twists in, or is it just a magnet? Huh. Oh, I got the wrong side. It's actually the bottom here. So the bottom actually, I think I can unplug it first. Okay, I think I might be missing a piece here. Just looking, yeah, trying to figure out how this actually attaches. It's not super clear. Okay, I think I got it. So I think you just press it on. Yep. Okay. Yeah, it just snaps on. I was trying to actually screw it on, but that's pretty much it. And I will. So it comes with charging cable, the actual camera unit that rotates, and the USB plug to charge it in. So yep. Thanks for watching. I will show you once I get this all charged up, and we'll show you how it works. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye now.